Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to import cross-section data from Excel into ESurvey CADD. In this video, you will learn how to import cross-section data from Excel. ESurvey section allows you to import data from 5 different types of Excel formats: layers, series, classic, fixed distance, and field book. Click on the template button on the toolbar and select each of these options to open the templates. You will notice that formats are provided for the most popular cross-section data formats. If you have survey data in any of these formats, open the corresponding template and paste the cross-section data into it. These are sample data files for various templates. 1. Layers. Use this template if the input data is available layer-wise. 2. Series. This is the most popular input format. Use this template if the input data has multiple layers of data. 3. Classic. Use this template if the input data is available section-wise. Please note that there are 5 different worksheets in this template, and you need to select the worksheet depending on the number of data columns you have. 4. Fixed distance. Use this template if the input data is available at fixed distances. 5. Field book. Use this template when you have survey data. Open the template and review the column names. It is better to open and review the ESurvey CADD sample file, Series Excel A, which is readily available in the sample folder. There are 5 columns of data: layer, section, distance, level, and remark. ESurvey CADD allows you to import data for up to 20 layers. Normally, ground data is imported into layer 1. Hence, you need to specify 1 as the layer number. In the section column, specify the chainage value. In the distance column, enter the distance from the center. For offsets on the left side, enter the distance as a negative value. For example, -4 means a point located 4 meters from the center on the left side along the alignment. In the level column, enter the reduced level, RL, that is, the elevation or Z value of the point. You may optionally enter a remark, if any. After entering the data, save the file to any location. In this example, we will import data available in the sample folder, namely Series Excel A. Click on Excel Import and select Series Excel A. Once the data is imported, all the cross-sections will be created. Navigate from one cross-section to another in the preview screen. In the next video, you will learn how to import data from a field book to create cross-sections. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 944-959-9709. Thank you for watching this video.